Okay, now we're going to Tsutenkaku. Look at this sakura. It's raining right now and I have to buy this umbrella. It's tiring. We're walking down the hill. Oh, what is that? You see, this is why I prefer to go backpacking all by myself and not buy the tour. Because if you follow the tour, you have to follow their schedule. You only go to the famous place. Sometimes you get lost. You find quite an amazing experience walking down this back alley. Where am I supposed to go? I'm hungry. Oh, you can see Tsutenkaku from here. Am I using super? No, super V. I have no idea where I'm going. I have no idea where the hell I'm going. It's raining. Actually, it's not raining, it's drizzling. Wow. I like this one. They even decorate this tree with, what's that? I don't even know. It's really hot, but at the same time it's really cold. Ooh. You see, even the cleaners wear a helmet. AKB. 350,000, quite expensive. See, every 100 meter you will see a vending machine, and this one is for cigarette. Another one. There, Tsutenkaku. Ooh, can I go up there? There is a shrine here. I hope we can go up there. Hopefully. Right now the time is almost 8. So most of the shop they open at 9 or 10. We're almost there. Right below. Open from 9 AM to 9 PM, 7 days a week. So for the adults I have to pay 700 yen. Oh, so we're going up.
Tsutenkaku は大阪府大阪市浪速区にある新世界の中心部に立つ展望塔です。国の登録有形文化財に指定されており、人気の観光名所となっています。現在の通天閣は2代目で、1956年、昭和31年に完成しました。塔の高さは100メートル、避雷針を含めた高さは103メートルあります。設計は耐震構造の父、内藤多忠が手掛けました。 ほぼ同時期にできた東京タワーの設計も内藤多仲によるものです。通天閣という名前は天に通じる高い建物という意味で、明治初期の儒学者藤沢南学が命名しました。5階の展望台には幸運の神様ビリケンの像が安置されており、ビリケンさんの足の裏を撫でると幸運が訪れると言い伝えられています。それでは通天閣からの眺望をお楽しみください。
ありがとう。So I think that's the Tennoji Park and Tennoji Station right over there.